Hi everybody. I'm doing this recording in order to teach something about plurals. The pages that you see here are taken from Thomson and Martinet's Practical English Grammar, which you can find under grammar definitions in your on your Blackboard website. This is from the chapter titled Nouns, and I will walk with you through the part about plurals. So as you know, in English, you usually add the letter S at the end of a word in order to form the plural of the word. 1 day, 2 days. 1 dog, 2 dogs. 1 house, 2 houses. The nouns ending in sounds that cannot be heard if you add an S sounds like ch, sh, s, x, add es. The same with nouns ending in o. So, for example, brush, I cannot say brush, so therefore I add es. Brush, brushes. Box, boxes. Kiss, kisses. Tomato, tomatoes. Tomatoes. There are certain words of foreign origin that end in O and add only S because that was the rule in the original language, such as photo, photos, piano, pianos, video, videos. Nouns ending in Y that is preceded by a consonant, drop the Y and add IES. For example, baby, babies. B is a consonant, so therefore you have babies. Country, countries. R before the Y is a consonant. Fly, flies. L before the Y is a consonant. It's only for nouns that add in a consonant. 12 nouns end in F or FE form the plural in VS, and you'll have to learn these by heart. These nouns are calf, calves, half, halves, knife, knives, leaf, leaves, life, lives, loaf, loaves, self, selves, sheaf, sheaves, shelf, thief, wife, and wolf. Again, you will have to learn these by heart. A few nouns form their plural by changing a vowel within the noun. You have to learn them by heart. Foot, feet, goose, geese, louse, lice, man, men, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, woman, women. Child has the plural children, ox has the plural oxen. Some types of fish usually do not change their form in the plural, and the word fish does not change in the plural. So 1 fish, 2 fish. 1 trout, 2 trout. 1 salmon, 2 salmon. For others, you can see that it changes. For example, sardines. The words deer and sheep do not change for the plural. You say 1 deer, 2 deer. 1 sheep, 2 sheep. You can learn more by reading from this. I'm only going through what I think is most important for you. Collective nouns such as crew, family, team can take, and others can take a singular verb if we refer to the noun as a group. For example, our team is the best. I refer to the entire team. Or can take the plural if you refer to the unit as a number of individuals. So for example, our team are wearing their new jerseys. Especially when you use pronouns such as their, you have to add a plural verb. Certain words are always plural and take a plural verb. Close the police are coming. You never say the police is coming. Or clothes consisting of 2 parts, such as pajamas or trousers or overalls, or instruments and tools that have 2 parts, such as glasses or scissors or scales. Other words in the same category, you can see grounds, greens, earnings, and so on. These are always plural. A number of words that end in ICS are plural in form and take a plural verb normally. For example, his mathematics are weak. I know it sounds weird to you, but That's the rule. However, names of sciences can sometimes be considered singular. Mathematics is an exact science. Other words that seem to have a plural form but take a singular verb include news. You say the news is good. Mumps, diseases, mumps, shingles, and certain games such as billiards or dominoes or drafts. Some words that are Greek or Latin in origin keep the rule for plural in the Greek or Latin. You say crisis, crises, erratum, errata, memorandum, memoranda, curriculum, curricula, phenomenon, phenomena. Some follow English rules such as dogma or dogmas, formula, formulas, and some have different forms with different usages. You can see them here. Compound nouns, normally the last word is made plural. Boyfriends, break-ins, travel agents. However, if the words man and woman are part of the compound nouns, you put both in the plural. Men drivers, women drivers. Again, if the word does not have if the word has one noun, that is usually the first one followed by a preposition, then the noun is put in the plural. Hangers on, lookers on, not looker on. Runners up, not runner ups. With compound nouns of compound of noun and preposition and noun, again you put the noun in the plural. Ladies in waiting, not lady in waitings. Sisters-in-law, not sister-in-laws, and so on. Initials can also be made plural. MPs, VIPs, UFOs, and so on. I hope you can read more in the book. You can find it again on your Blackboard website. I hope this has been useful.